slightly mistake was proving it by the United States government. Please pay all your attention.
Today we are going to show you how to survive a natural threat or, in this case, an unnatural threat. Rule number 1. Stay away from the threat altogether. Knowing he's around is a good thing, but be sure to stay out of his path, because he may and or will cause harm. Rule number 2. If you encounter the threat, defend yourself in any way possible. You can always use a knife, axe, whatever you have in the shed, or just simple things. Throw your microwave at him. Rule number 3. Don't make a lot of noise. This threat has an excellent sense of hearing. Rule number 4. Pick a good hiding spot, so that way the threat can't hear you. Rule number 5. Do not attempt to contact the local authorities. They are obsolete in this situation. Rule number 6. If you are outside, if the threat sees you, run. You'll only have one chance to get this right, so please make sure you have paid all attention to this. Enjoy your day.